Yeah, yeah. Sixth class also I'm unable to teach today because of it is not allowing through laptop. Only phone, only connecting children. Are you able to
Why,
see my
ma'am,
screen?
like that?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't know. That is unnecessary, children. That's waste of time. I will call a little later for Rahul sir so that he can help you. So that we can discuss in this paper here too. No need to worry. Now you have to see, children. First question: range of the data. Any data is given. Range is nothing but highest value minus least value. Highest value minus least value. What is the highest value given here, children? The data is
55.
55. Which is the least one? 6. 55 minus 6 means 49.
49.
Option A is correct, children. Option A is correct. Now, using tally marks, which one of the following represent number 8?
Ma'am.
8, none. Option D is correct.
Option D. Option D.
Option A is not a tally mark. They are rounding, they are circling, so that it's not. Yeah. Option D is correct. Why? Because
There are also 5 lines.
5
The
and
fifth line is supposed to be a stripe.
yes. Which is the solution for the equation 3x minus 14 equal to 4? If you substitute value,
answer. Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
option D equals to 6.
Ma'am, option D.
if you substitute in place of x equal to 6, 6 times 18,
Into x minus 14 is equals
18
to 4.
minus 4 is 4, right? Very good. Option D is correct. X equal to 6. Coming to x by 3, you just see, children, x by
Ma'am,
3.
15.
15 C.
Ma'am, 15.
Ma'am, 15. Option C.
Transpose means 3 5s are 15. Very simple. Weights are given, but you have.
Ma'am, 90.
Ma'am, 90.
90, ma'am.
90, ma'am.
No, the sum of two measures of two complementary
Ah,
angles.
ma'am, 180. Oh, my. No,
See that?
ma'am.
180, ma'am. C, ma'am. Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, it's 90 only, ma'am. It's 90.
90 only, ma'am.
90 only.
Yes, ma'am.
1
Complement.
minute. Listen. The sum of the measures of two complementary angles is one complementary. No. Sum of the measures of complementary angle is 90 only.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Ma'am, but they are asking about two complementary angles.
no, sum of the measures of two complementary angles.
180.
Ma'am,
180, ma'am.
Ma'am,
180.
here we can't make a complementary angle like without using two angles, right? So it will be 90 degrees.
Veer, the question is the sum of measures of.
Ma'am, it's 180 degrees. The sum of two complementary angles. One complementary angle is 90, so 90 plus 90 180.
And other one is 90. The both should be. Raghav, it's complementary.
Okay. Listen, children. Listen. The
Not
question is.
supplementary.
It's two complementary angles. One complementary angle value is 90.
Complementary
doesn't mean that it's
90. One complementary angle is 90 degrees. So two complementary angles is 180 degrees.
Complementary angles doesn't mean that it should be only 90 degrees.
Okay. No more arguments. Just a minute, my children. We will discuss. Don't worry about it. No more arguments. Because we can argue. We can learn the things. You can argue also. Then only let me. Some students are outside in the room. Let me allow the students to join. Aditi, are you there in the classroom? Aditi, are you there in the classroom? Aditi, are you there in the classroom? The student is continuously keeping message but not responding, please.
Ma'am, I was in the waiting room for so long, ma'am.
Yeah. Because I am unable to see the students who are there here. Let me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, answer the question. Here for fifth bit, is it 90 or 180? Please let me know.
180, ma'am. Means one complementary angle means 90 degrees. So two complementary angles, if we add it is 180, ma'am.
Okay. Next, please read the sixth question.
Ma'am, so what is the answer for the fifth one, ma'am?
Ma'am, I
Sum
didn't
of
understand.
measures of
180 degrees.
Nana, sum
Ma'am,
of
it's 180
measures of
degrees.
Ma'am, it's 180 only, right? I said the correct
180
answer then.
180 only correct, Nana. Two complementary angles.
Ma'am, you know,
Two
some people
complementary.
say 90.
No. Of course, but he thought to be two angles together only, but they're supposed to give an equal. So,
Ma'am, the
and
sixth one answer is C.
the
Ma'am,
sum of
ma'am, D,
180.
ma'am. Ma'am, D, 180.
Ma'am, D, ma'am, the sixth one is, ma'am, a linear pair forms 180
Linear,
degrees.
linear. Nana, mute yourself. Linear pair means what, children? Linear pair means what?
360.
Who is that?
180. Sorry, ma'am.
Who is that? It's just a minute. Someone is keeping continuous messages. I don't know what is that. Aditi is in waiting room. Okay. Maybe a few students, they have network issue. They are still in waiting room. I don't know continuously. If I start now, linear pair means sum should be equal to 180. Nana, it's not 360. Please remember those things and go to read the seventh question. Try to give the answer.
Ma'am, it's not 90.
Linear pair means what I said, Nana. Linear
Yes,
pair
ma'am.
is
Linear pair means they are
two angles
the
sum
sum
should be
of
equal to
measures of the angle.
Nana 180 Nana. Linear pair ante straight angle Nana. Straight angle ante enta?
180
Nana.
degrees.
Yeah, just let me do on the screen so that you can understand. You just take the line linear pair means sum of these two angles 1 and 2. So angle 1 plus 2 is nothing but
Ma'am,
180. 180. Why? Because it is a straight angle. Right. Next, please read the next question. Question number 7. The marks of obtained by the group of students in mathematics test is given. There are 80 marks, 79 marks, 84 marks, 92 marks, 77. Take your paper and write it the scores 64, 57, 75, 80, 54, 72, 91, and 876. Based on this information, choose the statement which is correct. The range of data, you have to find out all the things here. The wise question they're giving. You need to find out. Range means first you have to arrange data, you have to find a greater value, which is the highest observation minus least observation you're supposed to find, so that you will get the range of the data. Whether it is equal to 36 or not, you're supposed to check it. And the median of data is, median means you have to arrange your data in ascending or descending order. Please arrange the data in ascending or descending order. What is the median? Please let me know. And the mode is nothing but the most frequent repeated observation. Children, are you there?
Ma'am, we are there.
Okay, please. Mode is nothing but most frequent repeated observation. Put in the chat box, children. Put in the chat box so that. Which is true, children? Which statement is correct in this? What is the range you are getting?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
range is
range we are
38.
getting 38, ma'am. 38
No,
is the
it is-
range.
It is not true. Go for median.
Ma'am, median is only correct.
Median means
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, median is correct. Ma'am, median is correct, 38.
median correct.
Ma'am, I
Check.
by mistakenly wrote that 72, ma'am, in the chat box.
Okay. Mode means most repeated observation. Which observation is repeated here? No other.
Ma'am, 80.
80 is repeated. Very good.
Ma'am, option A is correct. Ma'am, option A is correct.
Option B is correct.
No, option A.
Option B
Ma'am,
is
option
correct,
D,
not
ma'am,
A.
option B.
Option A is wrong. Nana, please check that. Option B is correct.
Ma'am, range is 30, ma'am.
Next, median is correct given, the rest all are wrong only. The range of 10 observations is 68. If lowest score is 34, find the highest score. Take highest score as x. Children, x minus 34 equal to 10. X equal to 34.
Ma'am, 68 plus 34.
Nana?
Not
Ma'am, 68 plus 34 we need to do.
Yes. So what is
Ma'am,
the
it's 1
value?
or 2. Ma'am, the highest score is 1 or 2.
not to ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 10 observations are given as 68.
Ma'am,
So 34 plus 68, it is 1 or 2. Very good. Which of the
Ma'am,
following statement is incorrect? Incorrect, children. It's not correct. Incorrect. Median is the middlemost value of the data. When it is arranged in ascending or descending order, it is correct. On throwing a dice, the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also true. The probability of an event which is impossible to happen
It's
is
option C only.
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am. Impossible means we need to get 0, ma'am.
very good. Very good.
No, it was
Next. Ramu's father's age is 3 years more than 2 times of Ramu's age. Listen the statement very carefully, children. Understand.
Ma'am, 2x plus 3 is equal to 45. Ma'am, 8, ma'am. Ma'am, B. Answer is A. A only, ma'am. 2x plus 3 is equal to 45.
3 years more means you need to add plus 3, children. 2 times
3
means
is equal
2x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 3 equal to 45. Very good. Option A is correct. Next.
ma'am, I'm keeping the answer, ma'am, but it is loading and coming little late, ma'am.
Which one, Nana, Ritvik?
No, ma'am, when I'm keeping the answer, it is coming little late for you, ma'am.
Okay,
It is-
okay, okay. Yeah, next one, 11th one.
Ma'am, it's option C, ma'am. Ma'am, option C.
Raghav, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me read the question. Find the equation below such that the solution of an equation equal to x equal to 4. X equal to 4 if you substitute. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5 not equal to 5. 15.
Option D.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it's
let
D,
me check.
ma'am.
Let me check. 7 4s are 28, no. 5 4s are 20, no. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 4. Very good. Option D is correct, Nana. You are correct. Wonderful. You are correct. Good.
Ma'am, Raghav was telling it's C, ma'am.
Oh, Aditi is in the meeting. Still, Aditi having some network issue, children. That's why she is continuously waiting there somewhere. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sometimes you have to stay.
co-host.
Yes, ma'am. You have to stay in the participant list only, ma'am, till they join sometimes.
Ma'am, make someone else the co-host, ma'am. They can check every time and like
Yes.
you won't have to go there.
Yeah, because there is a network issue today. Even for me also, there is a lot of headache with grade 6, Nana. I'm unable to connect with the students today.
Ma'am,
The
for
measurement-
me, in the morning it is raining.
The measurement of an angle after the extension of its arms. You see, children, the measurement
C
of an angle.
remains the same.
Remains the same.
Remains the same, ma'am. If the lines extended,
Remains the same.
Children, if you extend it to Delhi, also the angle.
Ma'am,
will
it
be-
remains the same.
It will remain the same, ma'am. If we change the angle of the line, means it changes.
Yes, exactly. Next, Nana, when two line segments meet at a point forming a right angle, what type of segments they are
Ma'am,
called?
perpendicular segments. Ma'am, perpendicular segments.
Perpendicular segment, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Nana. When two line segments meet at a point forming right angles, what type of segments are they called? Parallel segments, no. Perpendicular segments, true. Equal segments, no. We don't know whether it is equal. Bisecting
Yes, ma'am.
segments, that is also not. We can say it is a
Ma'am, I don't
perpendicular.
know if they're equal or no, ma'am.
Ma'am, what
Yeah.
are bisecting segments, ma'am?
Now I will show the part of how it is. What is the difference between these all? Let me see just a minute.
Okay.
Now only just I discussed with these students and grade 6 students. Okay. Now you see, Nana. Just a minute and let me take. Suppose these are intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines. Of course, these are what type of lines? Perpendicular lines.
Perpendicular.
Now this is perpendicular bisector. Bisector means suppose this is a line AB. AB divides this line with 90 angle, making two equal parts. Suppose OA equal to OB. Length of OA equal to OB means then we can call it as perpendicular bisectors. Bi means making two equal parts. Making two equal parts. But in this case, you see, there is a very little distance here. From here to here, there is a little more distance. Of course, it is a perpendicular, but it is not a bisector. It is not a perpendicular bisector. But in this case, it is a perpendicular and it's bisect the line AB2. So we can call it as perpendicular bisector. Now you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. It's just like
See, suppose this is a
dividing
big line, we can make here too. We can make, sorry, just a minute. We can make here to perpendicular, but it is not a perpendicular bisector. But it is not a perpendicular bisector, but it is a perpendicular to each other. These two lines, we can call it as perpendicular. When we can call it as perpendicular bisector, suppose this line, it should be divided, another line should be divided
divide from the middle.
divide into middle and two equal parts. It's supposed to divide into two equal parts. Then we call it as a perpendicular bisector. Understand, children, the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please, Nana, please.
Ma'am, so like the lines in the perpendicular bisectors, are they lines or line segments?
Maybe you can take as a lines or line segments, because generally we are thinking about a line segment only having fixed length. General sense, we are taking lines and line segments also, Nana. Don't worry about that part. You can see the extension. If suppose they are mentioning any, suppose this part, we can't say lines should be exactly divided into two. Suppose some measure is given. This is the points AB. AB equal to some particularly given as some 8 centimeters. Then OA equal to 4 centimeters, OB equal to 4 centimeters. Then we are going with the line segments only, not lines actually.
Okay,
Very good. Who is this?
Ma'am, Harini.
Very good. Very good question. Why? Because line can be extended endlessly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Very good question. Next, Nana.
Ma'am,
Next,
two
comment.
Ma'am, option,
Ah.
Option A, ma'am.
Ma'am,
both are
option C.
Two acute angles are supplementary.
Ma'am,
Two
never,
acute
ma'am,
angles
ma'am,
never be.
never. Both are correct.
Yes, ma'am, A.
Next,
Ma'am, C is also correct.
1 minute, Nana. Two acute angles are supplementary. It can't. Two acute angles.
Ma'am, two right angles are also supplementary. That's
two right angles are supplementary and two reflect
Nana,
angles.
all are wrong. All are wrong. Only two right angles are supplementary, Nana. Reflex angles are not a supplementary. It's more than 180. So that we can't say, only option C is correct.
Ma'am, microcell.
Option C is correct.
Ma'am, two obtuse angles it will be more than 180 and two acute angles will be less than 90 or equal to 90.
Now you have to see here. Find the median of the following. Median means middlemost term. You know, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Which is the middle term? 4, 3, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 10. 10 is the middlemost term.
Ma'am, 10.
So you need to find the mean also, Nana. Mean means sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. How to, you know, logic, how to add these numbers very fastly and simply. Any simple technique is there?
But ma'am, we should do 14 plus 4 is equals to 18.
14, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11, 12, 22, 23. 23, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36,
63.
37.
Ma'am, 9, sir. 7, sir. Ma'am. 9. Ma'am, answer is 9. Yes, ma'am, 9. 63.
63 కదా నాన్న total.
Yes, ma'am, 63.
Yes,
7,
ma'am.
9, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is 9, ma'am. Ma'am, 7, 9, 63. 63.
Very good. Oh no, 7. It's right, children, right. 7 9s are 63. Right. Write the following statements in the form of equations. You need to form the equations here. If you take away means subtraction, Nana. Take away means
Ma'am,
subtraction.
6y minus 6 is equal to 60.
6y minus 6 is equal to 60.
6y minus 6 is equal to 60.
Very good. Next, x is multiplied by 5 and result is subtracted from 16. So 16 minus 5y.
Ma'am, 16 minus 5y is equal
Is
to
4.
4.
16 minus 5 is equal to 4.
Listen, once again, read this one. Maximum, most of the students, they will do as 5y minus 16. I know that.
No, ma'am, the result is subtracted from 16.
Yeah, from after what is the number? That number you're supposed to write first, children.
Ma'am, 5 minus 16 is equal to 4.
No, 16 minus 5y equal to 4 is correct.
Ma'am, because we are not taking integers, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote wrong.
Who is this Shiva Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, here from after what is the number you have?
Ma'am, from after 16 we are having, ma'am.
And then when I always uses to say from after what is the number, that number you're supposed to take first. 16 minus 5y is correct, Nana. Oh, so sorry. I know that generally good students also will mistake the same thing. That's why the type of variety of question will be given by the teachers. Observe the following bar graph of the following.
500.
500. 500.
Okay, what is the difference between maximum and minimum marks?
Ma'am, the maximum marks are 600 and the minimum are 100. So 600 minus 100 is 500.
5.
How many girls got more than 100?
Ma'am, 1500.
All are girls only here.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our ma'am said all are girls.
Okay, names.
Ma'am, 4, ma'am. 4 of them got more than 100.
Ma'am.
Okay, right. More than
Ma'am,
100.
what is the fourth one, ma'am? Road.
I am not able to see that, Nana, because I kept somewhere my slides.
Ma'am, I think the fourth
Ma'am,
one is
the names are written Apala, Vimla, Saroj and Indu, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe all are girls only. Girls have more than 100. How many girls means? It's a 4 girls.
Ma'am. 4 girls.
4 girls.
Right, Nana, last part is very interesting part. I love this part to do. It's a wonderful question. It is given for the students. You see, in the given figure, angle 1 equal to 65. Then find all other angles.
Ma'am, angle 365 using the property of vertically opposite angles. Ma'am, and angle 2 is 180 minus 65 because of the linear pair. No, ma'am, 180 minus 65, so it will be 115 degrees. Ma'am, and angle 4 is also 115 degrees because of the vertically opposite angle property.
Very good, Nana. Correct. You are correct. Very good. Vertically opposite angle rule you have to take. First angle
Minus equals to angle 3, so angle 3 is 65 degrees.
then the linear pair you have to use, then you will get all angles. All angles you will get. This is one paper and another set of paper is shared by another student. We will see there is one more interesting question there. I will show that paper also, Nana. There are maybe the different sets of papers given for the students.
Yes, ma'am. This week is set B and set A.
Yeah, this is, I think, that is different
Ma'am, it
paper.
is Ritvik. Ma'am, Ritvik.
Yeah, Ritvik shade. This is Ritvik set 1. Another set is shade by Ritvik. But in this little question also is.
And it is the same thing, right?
1 minute, Nana. It is not downloaded.
Oh, this is a different paper.
I think this is different. I saw different questions here.
Yes, ma'am, it's a little bit different.
Ma'am, different question paper.
I think both are same only, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Little
ma'am,
bit
they're
same, ma'am.
looking same.
Yeah, both are
Ma'am, both are same, ma'am.
both are same, Nana. It's not different. Only you just see the question number 7, children here. What is the question is given in the 7? State the properties used in each of the following statements. State the properties used in each of the following statements. First statement is given as M is parallel to N. And angle
B and F are corresponding.
Alternate interior
B and
angle.
F same corners. B and F are same corners also. Both are corresponding angles. Very good.
Corresponding.
Ma'am,
Second-
alternate interior angle.
Interior angles.
And they are alternate.
Alternative.
Ma'am,
Next,
after
D
that,
and E. D and E. Please
ma'am,
see.
supplementary angles.
Same side interior angles.
Ma'am, supplement.
కాదు
Ma'am,
నాన్న,
actually,
Ma'am,
same
side. Same side interior angles.
same side. Very good. Same side. Why? Because D and E are same side of the interior. Same side of interior.
Yes, ma'am.
Supplement.
co-interior angles.
Angle D equal to 115. Then find angle G. D given children 115. You need to find the G value. First D vertically opposite to B. So B is also 115. B and Z are same corners, right? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So that
G equals to H, ma'am.
B equal to no, no, no. I'm asking
Ma'am,
about
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the value of C, right?
ma'am, they are
yes, D equal to H, right, Nana? You are correct. D equal to
165.
ma'am, using the corresponding angle property, D is equals to H. Ma'am,
H plus
and
D equal
linear,
to 180. Right.
ma'am, and
H
after
plus
that, linear pair property.
165.
Correct, Nana. These are the questions shared by the students. So today, I think literally it's within how much time was given for you, children? Only 1 hour or half an hour?
Ma'am, 1.5 hour.
Okay. But really nice questions. You're supposed to thoroughly prepare, children. Some questions are really beautiful. Some are repeated, of course.
Ma'am,
Now,
for us, they gave pen and paper and MCQ.
Ma'am, even for us.
Ma'am, one
Okay.
question paper, we solved it half an hour.
okay. Shall we go with our original concept, children? What we discussed yesterday? There are patterns.
Ma'am,
Are
pattern.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Did you completed the general patterns for the given numbers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, write down terms of the following algebraic expressions. So, what are terms I didn't express? So,
Ma'am, you did not explain.
okay, like terms and terms, coefficients, and nothing. I didn't give anything, right? Degree of the polynomial.
Ma'am, coefficients we already know it from the linear, linear equation chapter.
Okay, anyway, we will just recollect the children because I want to go because online classes means you need to go with the basic part. How much you are going to learn, I'm not sure. Okay, terms of an expression. You have to write down, children. What are the different terms?
Ma'am, I actually know what are terms, but I can't actually express it in a definition.
Okay. Then nothing to worry, children. You need to identify the terms in your expression. That's enough for us. Terms of an expression. Let me write a few examples I'm giving here. An algebraic, yeah, listen, children. An algebraic expression is formed by connecting yes, constants and variables by means of different mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yes or no, children? For example, let me take one expression here. 5x minus 3 is formed. This 5x minus 3 is formed by multiplying 5 with x and then subtracting 3 from the product. So that you will get an answer.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Nana, please.
Ma'am, like how should we multiply 5 into n? What number we should take to multiply?
Don't think, Nana. Only what are the terms? How many terms are there in this expression?
Ma'am, 2 terms.
That's all.
Ma'am,
That's
whenever-
all.
Ma'am means that's binomial, right?
Yeah.
2 terms means binomial. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, actually in school, our teacher made us like practice this by telling, is their name binomial, binomial or trinomial?
Yes, ma'am, there are 3 terms. It's monomial, binomial, and trinomial.
Ma'am, quadrinomial.
Polynomial and multinomial also.
Very good. Very good.
Multinomial.
Many terms. More than one term. More than one terms. Generally, more than one term, we call it as a polynomial, children. Generally, we call it as
Remember,
a...
there are some rules for that polynomial.
Yeah. I will give to you. Yes, children. Now, how many terms are there here? There are 2 terms. What are those? I'm in waiting room. Just a minute, children.
Ma'am, answer evening and joining.
Okay. 1 minute, Nana. Now, suppose another example I'm taking here. 2xy plus 3y divide with plus z. How many terms are there, children?
Ma'am,
Or
trinomial. Trinomial.
Ma'am, trinomial.
Trinomial.
Uh,
Ma'am, your voice is a little bit breaking for me.
It's a heavy rain, children, here.
Okay, ma'am.
Due to heavy rain, maybe it is unable to.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but try to catch the points from the screen, children, please.
Ma'am, we have to solve it also.
No need to solve right now, children. Only you have to write terms of how many terms are there. There are 1, 2, 3 terms. There are 3 terms. Yes, the trinomial. There are 2 terms. Binomial. Only 1 term. Single term also you can write.
Ma'am, monomial. Yes, ma'am.
Monomial. Yes. Now, I'm going to give a small part for you. You just write down 3x square. It's minus 15x plus 25.
Ma'am,
Now,
trinomial.
Ma'am, trinomial.
why? Because this is 1 term, this is another term. Very good. 3 terms. Right. 3 terms.
Ma'am, like
Good.
in this, like you give some little bit tough questions.
Yes, yeah. Ma'am. Okay. 4p square minus just a minute, Anna. No, we are just discussing basic point. Definitely, I'll give questions. There are few questions, tricky questions. How we will get in the examination. We'll discuss it.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
So in an algebraic term, any factor is a coefficient or of the remaining term. Consider what is coefficient, children. Suppose the word, another word you have to use coefficient.
Ma'am, can I tell what it is?
Yes, coefficient and power.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What is coefficient? What is power of an expression? You have to.
Ma'am, power of an expression is the greatest power of that whole expression, and coefficient means that, for example, 2x square. The coefficient of x square is 2.
Oh, very good. Now we'll discuss about coefficient. Anyway, coefficient. Suppose my question is 2x square. What is coefficient of x square then?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am. 2.
Coefficient.
Suppose minus x y z. What is coefficient of x? What is coefficient?
YZ.
One.
Ma'am, YZ.
YZ.
Coefficient of x I want.
Ma'am, minus yz.
Oh, ma'am, minus YZ.
Minus
Very
YZ.
good. Very good. Minus yz. Very good. What is coefficient of minus 3yx square? What is coefficient of y?
Minus 3x square.
Minus 3x square.
Children, coefficient means, suppose they're asking about x means, you just leave x and rest everything, and rest of the complete term you have to write it. That's all. Only numerical coefficient means you are supposed to write only number. Suppose here 2 number is there, minus 3 is there. These are the numerical coefficient. Only number you're supposed to write. They're asking only about x square coefficient or y square coefficient or z square coefficient means you can directly remaining part, whatever the part they're asking, the rest completely is the coefficient. Only numerical coefficient means you are supposed to write only number. This is a major difference between numerical coefficient and general coefficient. Next one.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
ask a doubt?
Yes, please, please.
Ma'am, if the question is, ma'am, 3y divided by, ma'am, 5x, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and they ask what is the numerical coefficient, ma'am, so we need to write 3 by 5.
What is the numerical coefficient of
Ma'am,
x or y? They're asking about x or y or only numerical coefficient?
ma'am, only numerical coefficient.
3 by 5, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
3 by 5. Very good. Suppose
And then it is for x and y.
minus 1 by 2 into xy. What is the coefficient of y?
Minus 1 by 2x.
By 2x.
Minus 1 by 2x. Suppose I'm asking about what is the coefficient, numerical coefficient of y? Numerical coefficient.
X.
Ma'am, minus 1 by 2.
My
Minus 1 by 2. Only number you have to write, Nana. Numerical coefficient means you have to write only number. Numeric means only you supposed to write number including sign. Numerical coefficient. General coefficient means you have to consider every number. Only numerical coefficient means you have to consider only number part. That's all.
ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
ma'am, if they're asking for x, you have to write minus 1 by 2 y, right, ma'am?
They're asking about x coefficient means completely x leave rest complete part you have to write it.
Okay, ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Yes, please, ma'am. Please let me know what's your doubt. Tell.
Ma'am, it will be minus 3 xy means numerical value 3 means what we should do, ma'am?
Minus 3xy is they're asking about what coefficient, only numerical coefficient of x they're asking.
No, ma'am, minus 3.
They won't ask like that, Nana. Numerical means number part. Coefficient of either y or x they will ask. They will specifically mention what is y coefficient of.
Ma'am, if they tell the numerical coefficient of 5, then it will be minus 3. Even if they tell numerical coefficient of 5, then also it will be minus 3 only, right?
Exactly. Why? Because it is a multiple of both, right?
Yes, sir.
It is factors are not right. Next one, like and unlike terms. Nana, this is also very important. Like and unlike. What are like? What are unlike?
Ma'am, if the variables, ma'am, in two expressions, ma'am, is equal, ma'am, including the exponents. Ma'am, if the variables and the exponents of the variables is equal in two expressions.
Let me write a few examples. 5x and 5x square. Is it like terms or not?
Ma'am, here
They are alike.
They are unlike terms. The power should also be same.
Very good.
Some power
Children, you have to see variable should be same and power also should be same. Here power is not same. Variable and power should be same. For like. Like means variable and power both should be same, but it is unlike. Unlike. Power is not same. Next part. 2pq square. Please observe carefully, children. 2p square q.
Ma'am, it's like term. It's a like term.
Ma'am, it's unlike because
Ma'am, in here, Q
Ma'am, it's a
square.
like
Ma'am, in the first one it is Q square, ma'am, but in the second one it's P square.
Ma'am, it's a like term.
Jait, I want answer from Jait, why it is like? Where are like? Please let me know.
It's unlike, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am?
yes, very good. Sunlight, correct. You are correct.
Yeah, ma'am, because it's q square and this is p square.
Very good. Here Q, but here Q square and Q. Here power of Q is 1 and 2. Here power of P is 1 and 2. Is not both same, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
It is
They both are different.
Yes,
both
ma'am.
are different. Jait, you got the point, Jait?
Yes, ma'am.
Now one more example I'm giving. Please think and observe carefully. 3AB and minus 3AB.
Ma'am, like.
Ma'am, it's unlike. Ma'am, it's unlike.
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 Ma'am, unlike.
It is like,
Unlike, ma'am. Unlike.
ma'am, it is like
Ma'am, it's
Very
unlike.
good. It is like.
only.
Right?
Because that minus applies only for the 3. The variables are
No,
same.
no, no.
Just see the variable part.
You have to check only variables and where powers of the variables.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus comes under the numerical numerical part.
Yeah, no, don't go with the numerical part. You no need of numerical part. You have to see the variables and its power.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand, children, like and unlike? I will just glance you. I'll give
Ma'am,
to
I
you.
have a doubt.
Like means, like means same variable and the same power. Same variable and same power. Unlike means no need to be same. No need to be same. This is maybe it is different. You have to write your own words, children. Try to understand your own points. You have to write. Don't. Now my question is, what is the coefficient of x in the following expressions? Shall I write, children, another question? Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
You write your own points, Nana. Suppose here minus 2x, you write here minus 10x, you have to write. These both are like terms.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what if the question is, ma'am, 2 multiplied by minus x, ma'am, and 2, ma'am, and 2x. Ma'am, so here does the minus in front of x imply?
Always minus should come before that, Nana. Don't take. If they will give also, suppose if they will give also, you have to write it as minus 2x. Okay. Then there is no confusion for you.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so, ma'am, just to confuse us, if they give a question like that, ma'am,
They
then
will
it's like, right?
They will definitely twist and give because they won't give direct part because the child should something they're supposed to think and give the answer. They will test like that. Now, please.
Ma'am, so it will be like only, right? Ma'am, so 2 ma'am, like 2 minus x and 2x, ma'am, so it will be like minus 2x, so it will be like only, right?
What is the yes, like only, both are like. What is the coefficient of what is the coefficient of x? I am asking about x, Nana. Think the question. X in the following expression. The following expression. Now here I am giving about the questions are 5x minus 4y. What is coefficient of x, Nana?
5.
5 minus 4y.
No, only 5.
On
What is multiplied with only 5? Don't think about y part. Next question is 10 minus 3x plus 3y. What is coefficient of x coefficient?
3, ma'am.
X coefficient minus 3.
minus 3.
Sign is also applicable.
Ma'am,
Nana.
how do you find that that is plus 3 or minus 3, ma'am?
That is which one, ma?
Ma'am, in second one, ma'am.
Minus 3.
Ma'am, like it says the symbol between them both, ma'am, that 10 minus 3, like that, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Y square into x minus 2. In this case, what is the coefficient of x?
Ma'am, y square.
Y square.
Very good. Next, 5z minus, you just observe 5z minus 6xz.
Ma'am, 6.
6
No.
minus 6z.
minus 6. Minus 6.
6z.
Minus 6.
Minus 6z. Z.
Very good. Minus 6z. Like that, you have to write your own expressions and try it, children, please.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, in the second one, the coefficient of x should be 10 minus, ma'am, like 10 multiplied by minus 3.
No, these are different terms. This is 10 is one term. This is another term. Minus 3x is another time.
Oh,
Three-
ma'am, I just got confused. Like I was not, you kept a circle around it, right? So I got confused.
No. These are the different terms. You just please like that. Because for your understanding, I just circled. No need of confusion. Nothing to this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me. Shall I clear the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, types of algebraic expressions. Just now you said many types. Let me go with the types too.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I'm Aditi. I have a doubt.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please.
in our class, they are teaching linear equations, and I have a doubt in one problem, ma'am.
Yes, please. Please tell. Nana.
Ma'am, the question is, it's a word problem, ma'am.
Okay.
Lena has
Please enter in the
100.
chat.
Yeah, please be louder.
Lena has 117 rupees in the form of 5 rupee and 2 rupee coins. The number of
Denominations. Right, Nana. Those are the applications of linear equation. Very good. So what is the amount, Nana? Lena has how much amount?
117 rupees in the form of 5
117.
Yes, ma'am.
Five coins and
In the form of 5 and 2 rupee coins.
2 coins. Very good. Okay.
The number of 2 rupee coins is 4 times that of 5 rupee coins.
So 2 coins is 4 times.
2 rupee
okay.
coins is 4 times that of 5 rupee coins.
Okay.
Find the number of coins of each denomination.
Wonderful question. Wonderful. This is linear equations. Really, it's a wonderful question. You see, conditions are given. What are the condition? Amount is given as 117. It is denominated as 5 coins and 2 coins. If 5 coins are x, let 5
Yes,
coins
ma'am,
be.
and if we take the 2 rupee coins as, ma'am, we should take
Let
it
5
4x.
1 minute, Nana, 1 minute, Mahavir. Let 5 coins be x. Then amount collected from 5 coins is how much, Nana? Amount collected from 5 coins is 5x, right? The same way,
Yes, ma'am.
let 2 coins condition is given. 4 times of 5 rupee coins. That means 4x. Amount collected from 2 coins is 2 times 2 rupees into 4x. That means it is nothing but 4 2s are 8x.
Ma'am, I actually did not understand this amount of.
Now, hey, I just gave 5 coins for you. And 5 coins means how much amount you will get? 5 into 10, right?
Ma'am,
Nana, just coins. You just amount is we supposed to equate to amount. She is having a total amount with her. So that you can just add up 8x plus 5x together. It is 13x equal to 117.
Yes, ma'am.
So x is equal to 9. So coins x value 9 means you need to substitute 5 coins we are taking as so 9 5 coins are there. 9 5 coins are there.
Ma'am, then we have to do 21 rupees coin. So we have to do 19 into 4 is
Ma'am,
equal to
36 2 rupees coins are there, ma'am.
2 rupees coins.
Ma'am, 9 into 4, 36. Ma'am, as it is 4 into 9.
9 5 are 45 kada Nana.
Ma'am,
2 rupees coins how many? 2 rupees coins.
Ma'am, ma'am, 2 rupees coins is 4x, ma'am, which is 4 into 9.
45.
45, ma'am, I think.
4 into 9, 9 for 36. Nana.
36.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 36, ma'am, 4 into 9, yes.
36 into 2. 36 two times. You just add these two amounts. You will get 117 or not.
ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Nana, I will help you. That question is actually, suppose you have in your pocket 117 rupees. There are two types of coins you have with you. The amount 5 rupees coins and 2 rupees coins. The relation is given. So we don't know how many coins are there. 5 rupees coins. Just let 5 coins be x in the pocket. So 5x is this. And the condition is given 2 rupees coins is 4 times of 2 rupees coins is 4 times of 5 rupee coins. So 2 into 4 into x. This is nothing but 8x. Total amount 5x plus 8x is nothing but 117. Why? Because initially they have. So it is nothing but 13x is equal to 117. X equal to 117 by 13. So 13 9 times 117. So 5 rupee coins means 5x. So 5 into x value 9 means you're correct. 9 into 5, 9 5s are 45 rupees. Corrected 5 rupees. So 2 rupees means 8x, Nana. 8 into how much?
Ma'am, I did
72. 72, ma'am.
Nana, 2 rupees, yes.
72, 72.
Yes, 8 9s are correct. 9 8s are. Is it 72 or what? No.
Ma'am,
No, 8.
72 only.
72.
8 9s are,
ma'am,
Nana.
8 9s are 72.
72 only, ma'am.
72 only, ma'am.
Then 117, correct. This is the way. Aditi, you understand, Aditi?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Aditi,
ma'am, I did in another method, ma'am.
Aditi, you got the point.
Ma'am, here in our classwork, it is written that 2 rupees is equal to 4 into 9, which is 36. That's the answer, our teacher.
Yeah, ma'am. Coins means you need to substitute in this. You just want coins means you just substitute. They're asking about how much amount collected by 5 denominations means you suppose right it is 45. Okay?
Ma'am,
The amount collected from 5 coins is different, 2 coins is different. So only coins, number of coins are asking means you just substitute 4 into x. 4 9s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So 36 into 2 times only 72.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next types of algebraic expressions we'll discuss. Children, any yes?
Ma'am, I did like number of 5 coins dx and 2 rupee coin is 4x. Then I
Okay.
did 2 into 4x plus 5 into x is equals to 117. Then 8x plus 5x is equals to 117.
Same
13x is equals to.
Same thing only we did. Same, correct only, ma. Srishti, what you are doing also true.
But
Correct.
my answer is coming 36, ma'am.
36 only 2 rupees coins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Amount collected is 72 rupees, Nana. From 2 rupees coins, how much amount you are getting means it is 72 rupees. But coins are 36 only. 2 rupees coins are 36, 5 rupees coins are 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now my question to Nikhil. Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, what is monomial? What is binomial? What is trinomial?
Ma'am, binomial means only 2 terms, ma'am. And
Okay.
trinomial means 3 terms, ma'am.
Okay.
And monomial means 1 term, ma'am.
Yeah, I am the monarch. Mono means what, children? Mono. Mono means single.
1.
Mono stands for one. In your social book also there is a question like I am the monarch. Monarch. Mono means what? Mono means
ma'am, actually get as monocot seed, so mono means 1.
Yes, a single term, only one term, single term. Examples you can write, children. You can take it as a 2 or minus 3yz or minus y square minus some x square. You can write as a monomial. Next,
Ma'am?
binomial. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, can we write, I have a question like, can we write minus 3yzx, ma'am?
Minus
Excuse me, ma'am.
minus 3xyz also, right? You can write. This is only single term.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm actually leaving from my grandmother's house, so my cab
Okay.
came. So can I just leave
Sure,
the cab?
sure. Even
Sorry,
even
ma'am.
yeah. Even I supposed to leave, Nana. I have some other 7:15. I have other class. I supposed to take some break and I have to continue. Children will discuss the monomial. You can leave Raghav. Just we will end up the words like binomial, trinomial. I supposed to discuss. With
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Raghav. Bye. Take care. Bye. Yes. Children, binomial. Bi means what?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, bi means 2. So binomial means 2 terms. Examples you have to write, children. Few examples you can write here for binomial. Can I write as 2x plus y? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write as 5y cube minus z square?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can write. You can write. Trinomial. Tri means 3. 3. Tri,
Three
yeah,
terms.
tri stands for 3. Right. You have no need of remember also, children. The words if you remember, mono means single, bi means double, tri means 3. Like that you have to twice means 2 times, thrice means 3 times. This is the general math words, math terminology. Okay, children, we will end up the session. The next class I'll continue with the remaining part. And next examination, you have, what is your examination? Sunday test, you have Sunday test lines and angles as well as this chapter, Nana. Only till here. What are coefficient, what are like terms, what are binomial, trinomial, like that, only basic part, not everything, only basic. Yes? Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
children. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow I am going for Olympiad level 2, ma'am, actually.
Ma'am,
Okay.
tomorrow is Saturday, not Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow
Saturday
Sunday.
I
I mean, next Sunday test I'm speaking about, because
Yes,
Sunday
ma'am, tomorrow I'm actually going to Olympiad level 2, ma'am.
Okay. Olympiad.
Yes, ma'am. There are like only 10 people selected.
Okay. Ritvik, where it is? Is it Olympiads means math Olympiad like that?
Ma'am, Indus Olympiad, ma'am, in our school.
Okay. Right.
Ma'am, in this
Tomorrow I think there is no class also for us, right?
Yes, ma'am. There's just basic math.
Tomorrow we didn't have any class, children. You can please go please practice. You just do your right. And Sunday I'm telling about Sunday part. That's all.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Yeah,
there's no
please.
Saturday test.
Then, the points what we discussed today, coefficient and the power part and like terms, unlike terms, types of expressions, and what are other points we discussed, children? Terms, how many terms are there? What are the things you just
3
please
types of terms.
yeah, please recollect all the points and come back in the next class. We'll only this part only I supposed to test. Basic is very important, children, so that prepare well and come for your test. I won't give much more than that. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children. Take care. Have a good day. Yes, Aditi. Any other doubt, Nana? Shiva Pranav?
No, ma'am, my cursor is stuck. So
Ma'am, 2 mistakes in exam.
Yeah, even I'm worrying, Shiva Pranav. To why Nana, be little slow. You know that part also, but I don't know why you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that. But handwriting also, you need to little improvement should be happen, Shiva Pranav.
Okay.
Handwriting portion I'm seeing today your paper. I'm literally worrying about. You're a good student. You're supposed to maintain some neatness, Nana. Don't write rewriting part because when teacher corrects means impression is the first impression is the very best impression for them also. You have to try to write neatly. Take the black pen. Don't use your black blue pen. Take your black pen. Okay, Nana?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Nana, right. But I saw most of the questions, most answers, you are giving correct answers only. Very good, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everything we discussed, nothing is new. Questions also very nicely given. Some questions time taken, some questions directly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav. Then can we leave Pranav right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye, Nana.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.